U.S. Immigration Services presents Green Card by Marriage. Who can obtain a green card based on marriage? A foreign-born national can apply for a green card if he or she is married to a U.S. citizen or a U.S. lawful permanent resident, also known as a green card holder. How to apply for a green card through marriage? There are different options to apply for a green card based on marriage. The green card application process will depend on the country where the marriage takes place and whether the U.S. spouse is a U.S. citizen or a U.S. lawful permanent resident. Marriage in the United States. If a foreign-born fiance is already in the United States, the couple can get married in the U.S. Qualified couples can file a green card application in the United States, and the entire process of obtaining a green card for a foreign-born spouse will take place in the U.S. as well. Fiancé visa. A foreign-born fiancé who resides outside the United States can come to the U.S. on a K-1 fiancé visa and marry a U.S. citizen fiancé in the United States. If a foreign-born fiancé has minor children, they can accompany their parent on K-2 visas. Once the marriage takes place, the couple can proceed with the green card application. Marriage outside the United States. A couple who got married outside the United States can obtain a green card for the foreign spouse at a U.S. embassy or consulate in the country where the marriage took place. This is a lengthy process, and that's why there is another option. Spouses of U.S. citizens can obtain a K-3 spouse visa to enter the United States and apply for a green card in the U.S. The foreign spouse's minor children can come to the U.S. on K-4 visas. The marriage interview. All couples have to pass a marriage interview before a green card can be issued. In order to successfully pass the marriage interview, the spouses should be prepared for it. It is important to prove to the immigration officer that your relationship and marriage are genuine. A conditional green card. A foreign spouse who has been married to a U.S. citizen for less than 2 years will first receive a conditional green card. A conditional green card will be valid for 2 years. The foreign spouse has to apply for a permanent green card within 90 days prior to the expiration of his or her conditional green card. Immigration help online. Whether you are applying for a U.S. visa or green card, U.S. Immigration Services offers a variety of guides to help you start working on your application immediately. Download your guide at www.usimmigration-services.com. Again, that's www.usimmigration-services.com.